Hey, this is 1 Minute Mom. I'm just going to show you how to change the printer ink on your printer. I have an HP OfficeJet 6958, and then I made sure that it matched on the type of ink that I purchased. And then I want to show you about how to take off all the packaging because that's important. So as you can see, I removed all the plastic wrapping on there, and I just simply pulled on this tab here and made sure I took off all of the wrapping. Then you're stuck with this orange thing. What do? Well, you turn it on its side, you place your thumb here, and you hold it tight, and you push it off, and then you have your ink ready to go. So you get this warning on your printer, and this is how you change the ink. Lift up the lid, and then it'll automatically slide the ink cartridges out. Then you just simply pop them out by squeezing this little part right here. Just push on it and it'll pop out. And you can see it's M for magenta, C for cyan, and Y for yellow. Sorry if I didn't pronounce that right. And then you put the nose in first, like that, and then you push until it clicks. And just repeat. Slide it in, and then push to click. Slide in nose first and push to click. Then all you have to do is close the lid. And this is not the lid for printing, but the whole entire lid. And then once you press it, your printer will tell you that it's going to check it all out and make sure it's correct. I've noticed that HP only takes HP printer ink.